Hey, let me show you unboxing of the Sony Ult Wear headphones and also the short comparison with the Sony WH-1000XM3 and XM4. So first of all, let's quickly take a look on the box. At the front we can actually find our device. On the right side we can find the box accessories. So inside we can find the carrying case, the headphone cable and the USB Type-C cable. Next on the back we can also find the key feature. So this is this Alt button that actually boost bass, and at the back we can find the noise cancellation information, the remaining time with the 30 hours, the hands-free phone calls and multi-point connection. The multi-point connection is actually the ability to connect these headphones to two devices at the same time. On the right side, nothing interesting. At the top, another information about the Google Assistant, the Alexa Assistant, with the 360 reality audio. We can for sure connect these headphones to iPhone, iPad, and we also got this Spotify extension. So when we click once, we will actually quickly go into the Spotify app. And now let's quickly open the box. So we have to just cut out this small, okay, it's actually really hard to get rid of it. I have to actually press a little bit more harder. There we go. Okay, and now we have to actually just take it out of the box. And now we've got another box. So how we can open it? I guess from the bottom. Yeah, like this. Okay, and here we've got our charging case, our carrying case. Inside we can also find some information about this 360 reality audio. This is actually the music service free trial with the access code. From this we've got the register information, the warranty and the user manual. So now let's go inside this carrying case. And as you can see here, we can find the headphones. And here we can find this headphone jack. It was actually mentioned on the box. And the USB-C to USB-A cable. This is actually really short cable. It's around probably 10 centimeters or 20 centimeters, like really short. And this one is probably around 1 meter length. And now let's take a look if we can already turn on the headphones and how it feels actually. Okay, so it's actually definitely made out of the plastic. Yeah, this is the plastic, and what I can tell you right now that it actually feels better when you touch the Sony WH-1000XM3. It's actually better quality of this plastic. It's also plastic, but it's definitely much better to touch it. From here we can find the soft material, but it also feels better on the WH-1000XM3. And inside, about these earbuds, okay, I guess this is the same feeling. Okay, now when you take a look at the bottom, we can find this headphone jack input, the USB-C cable, the power button, and is also with the Bluetooth button, the Alt button, the noise cancellation and the ambient button. And on the left one, there's like no information. So now let's try to turn them on. And I just wonder about the weight of both devices. Okay, for me, this one is a little bit heavier, the WH-1000XM3. This one is a little bit lighter. Okay, so this is it, the quick unboxing of the Sony Ult Wear headphones. If you are looking for other videos about this device, like for example, how to pair them, how to fix some issue or how to reset them, you can just go into my channel, open the search engine and input all of these phrases that you are looking for. Right now, please subscribe.